From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, a warm one out there today, but we were just short of 90 degrees, 89 the high. That's right where we should be this time of year. 69 the morning start, a little bit below normal. That trend continues. The daytime high is a little bit above. Overnight lows a little bit below, at least for another day or two, but they'll be creeping upward. And as we round out the month of May, rainfall-wise, we got a little rain today. For the month, though, less than 2 inches of rain, and the normal is right around 5.5 inches of rain, so a little dry for the month of May. So let's get over to the key wall and take a look at the day-by-day for May. And everything you see in red, these are daytime highs. These are above normal highs, blue or below normal. Gray is right at normal. And overall, it was kind of a yawn for a month. 12th warmest, though, on record, 2.7 degrees above normal since 1942. Those are the records I keep here at the station. Well, I keep the records back to 1893, but 1942 from the airport. That's when the airport started, actually in 1941, but not until August of 41. 12th warmest on record overall. 1 degree cooler, though, than last year, so not too bad. And sure, it was drier than normal, but only ranked about 23rd driest May. Mays can be so variable. Just a few years ago, we had some of the wettest Mays, and then it's the hot May, then this one right in the center line. And these are the overnight lows, mostly warmer overnight lows, and that's always an indication that we're starting to feel the effects of the Gulf of Mexico, which is warmer than normal, than the 20th century norm by a good 3 to 4 degrees Fahrenheit. So we measure that and we see it at night. That's climate change. We're warming up, mainly overnight lows, not so much daytime highs. So here's the big picture as we look at what's going on right now. Low pressure over here in the east central Gulf of Mexico. High pressure to the west, driving in drier air. A little bit of a surface low, though, has developed in the eastern Gulf of Mexico, and that's keeping us a little interested, but no threat to Louisiana. Now, as we scan, the Doppler radar is pretty quiet across the area. Power Doppler 3 will just go over an 8-hour loop here. We did have a nice little shower in Lafayette. North side of town, Karen Crow, got wetter than the south side of town, and the rest of us pretty much seeing isolated activity, some nice shower and thunderstorm activity in Vermilion, Cameron parishes. And right now we do have a couple of isolated showers showing up. A nice shower that moved through the Morgan City, Patterson area, and then another one now in the coastal marsh heading toward, it looks like Chafalaya Bay here. But overall, most of us will be quiet for the rest of the evening. Big picture in the tropics, high pressure ridging out in the Atlantic. We don't worry about the Atlantic, the far eastern Atlantic this time of year. It's all in the Caribbean or the Gulf of Mexico, May, June, and July for the most part. And we do have that surface low that is developed, but it's mainly being guided by an upper level low. So this looks like a hybrid system. All the heavier rains mainly east of the system, but some convection working its way up toward Apalachicola and Tallahassee. Now, the Hurricane Center gives this a marginal chance of development over the next day or two. Then after that, it's forecast to become unfavorable as the system drifts eventually off to the east-southeast. But this is going to be sticking around here out in the Gulf for the next couple of days, and we'll watch the convection. Always look at the graph model for the tropical systems or potential tropical systems. Sometimes it overdevelops, but it does a really good job on showing us where, if a tropical system should develop, where it would go, and it's generally going to go south and east. And if anything, this feature is going to help pull in drier air into the region over the next couple of days, so our rain chances should go down. We need them to go up, though. Near 70 tomorrow morning, fair skies, again partly cloudy in the afternoon, maybe an isolated blip on the radar during the course of the afternoon, but overall a relatively quiet scenario. Lower 70s for your Friday morning, and Friday we do it all over again, and very few showers in the forecast for Friday as well. Upper 60s to near 70 tonight. Tomorrow, upper 80s to lower 90s. We'll probably pass 90 or 91 tomorrow night, closer to 70, and then as we move into Friday, probably closer to 91 to 92, maybe even 93 degrees. So summer knocking on the door. So a nice evening ahead, still fairly comfortable out there with the waxing strawberry moon. It'll be full as we head into Friday, Saturday, and then as we head into your tomorrow, we'll be looking at a nice and toasty day, getting up to 91 for a high. Partly cloudy skies, probably fewer clouds than today, so the heat is going to be on, not much of a breeze, and chance of rain at 10%. We'll go 5% on Friday, so that's the silent 5% there. And as we matriculate through the weekend and beyond, we could see a slightly better chance of afternoon showers and storms Sunday, Monday, maybe Tuesday, but I wouldn't bet on it at this point. But look at those temperatures. all in the lower 90s. Perfectly normal for July or August. A little bit early for the first week, 10 days of June, but that's the summer reality around here.
Here we are.
Right.
Thank you, Robin.